Welcome to qnawire.
So this is an exponential function, and any exponential function we think of as a times b to the x. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so there is no vertical stretch or shrink or a on this. And then the clue is when we take it to the first power, we get 0.7, which means b is 0.7. So our function is 0.7 to the x. The inverse, if we think of y equals 0.7 to the x, the inverse can be found by interchanging, and then we could, if you can do a log of a certain base, that's great. Otherwise, we could say just take the log of both sides. Then the right-hand side would be y times log of 0.7. And so it would be the log of x over log of 0.7. You could use natural logs as well. Log of x divided by log of 0.7. And actually those would be y's here. It should be the log of y. Because I interchange, you would change them back. Okay, so the following table is an exponential function. 3.3 to the 0 is 0. 3.3, or excuse me, when x is 0, it's 3.3 to the 0. When x is 1, it's 3.3 to the first, 3.3 to the second. So this would just be 3.3 to the x. The formula for the inverse then would be log of y over log of 3.3. If we follow part A. Another way to do this would be if y equals 3.3 to the x, then x would equal 3.3 to the y, and we would say we could take log base 3.3 if you are familiar with that, and that would just equal y if you're wanting it to write it as just one thing. That's just an option.